You don't have a drone, you're in a no-fly area, or always taking a drone with you is too much effort? No problem at all. In this video I show you 9 stunning Insta360 X3 fake drone shots, which look like they were taken with a real drone. Just a small note, this video focuses on steady fake drone shots from normal drones such as DJI, which provide stabilized footage. I already created a video where I show you how to create fake FPV shots with your Insta360 camera. Make sure to also check it out. Before I go into more detail about the specific shots, here are some tips which are important to create real looking fake drone shots. Number 1. Long telescope stick. What characterizes drone shots is the aerial perspective. For fake drone shots, it is therefore important to simulate the flying drone in the air. The best way to achieve this is with a long selfie stick. I would recommend at least a 3-meter selfie stick. The Insta360 extended selfie stick is ideal for this. Mount your Insta360 X3 on the selfie stick, extend it and create. You find the link for it in the video description. Number 2. Stabilization. Another important point for realistic fake drone shots is a stabilized video footage. Your Insta360 camera does this automatically thanks to the flow state video stabilization. For the best results, focus on smooth camera movements, even when the telescope stick is fully extended. Number 3. Perspective. Also an important aspect to real looking fake drone shots is the image perspective. The image should be as wide angled but undistorted. Here especially the reframing parameters are significant. More about this later. If you follow these 3 basic rules, you will create stunning looking fake drone shots. Your viewers won't even notice that you didn't use a real drone. Now I present you my 9 awesome fake drone shots ideas, which you can try out easily yourself. 360 zoom out. The 360 zoom out shot is an easy way to simulate a dynamic drone movement. With the telescope stick extended, you circle a person or object of your choice slowly. In post-processing, you reframe the video so that the person is always placed in the center of the frame. To simulate the drone flying away, reduce the zoom value during the movement. Tilt up. The tilt up shot is simple but impressive. Simply walk along a path with the extended selfie stick. In post-processing, add a tilt movement starting from the ground rising up to the horizon. To get an undistorted image, I recommend the following parameters in Premiere Pro in combination with the plugin GoPro FX Reframe. For a wide-angle image, always use values within the range of 50 to 60 for the parameters lens curve and zoom. The 50-50 combination gives you an extremely wide-angled image. Here the distortion is already slightly visible. The 60-60 combination gives you a more natural image. Test it out for yourself to see what you like best and what suits best to the scene. You will get similar results with the Insta360 Studio with FOV control values between 100 and 110 and distortion control values between 0.2 and 0.3. Again, try out what suits best to the shot. To create the tilt-up drone shot, simply set 2 keyframes where you pan from the bottom to top. Looks like a real drone shot. No one will realize that it was created with a 360 camera. Fly-through. Fly-through drone shots are popular because they look spectacular. It's easy to create such shots with your Insta360 X3 and the mega extended selfie stick. Just find a suitable environment and create your own fake drone fly-through drone shots. If the opening is large enough for you to walk through, make sure you guide the camera smoothly. If the opening is small, simply pass your Insta360 X3 through with the selfie stick fully extended until you can't go further. If you use a long enough telescope stick, it will look like a drone flight through. You can add reframing motion to make the shot look more dynamic. Watershot. Classic drone sequences are shots just above the water. This is also easy to create. Guide your Insta360 camera just above the water to simulate a fake water drone shot. To add some dynamic, you can add a slight tilt movement in post-processing. Low grounder. A low ground drone shot simulates a drone flight slightly above the ground. To emphasize the speed of the drone to the viewer, motion blur is very important. If possible, select the shutter speed in the range about of 150. Wide angle pan. This fake drone shot is very simple. All you have to do is lift the selfie stick up and slowly move forward. In post-production, you reframe the video with an extreme wide angle and slow panning motion. The extreme wide angle gives you the drone feeling. Reveal shot. Revealing drone shots are also very popular. Here you simulate a drone which passes by an object, and after it passed, the landscape is revealed. Very often trees are used for this purpose. Tilt down. The tilt down drone shot is the opposite to the tilt up shot. Simply tilt slowly from top to bottom. Easy but effective. Cable car shot. A very impressive fake drone idea is the cable car shot. Use the next cable car ride to create a 360 video with your Insta360 X3. The height makes it look like a real aerial shot. In combination with the flow state stabilization and the possibility of reframing in post-processing, panning and tilting movements of a drone can be simulated. These recordings are closest to a real drone footage and can hardly be differentiated. Everyone will believe this is an original drone footage. And those were my 9 Insta360 X3 fake drone shot ideas. Get inspired and try them out for yourself. Get your Insta360 X3 now with the Gimbal Guru deal and benefit from free accessories. Subscribe to my channel for more Insta360 X3 video ideas, tips and tricks. I see you in the next one.